times last forever. No, they don't. The one thing that this pandemic has taught us is to breathe. Not just breathe to exist, breathe to live healthy. Once again, to our rescue is this phone. Actually, a useful app on this phone called the Breathball app. Special about this app, this app helps us with very simple, natural feeling breathing exercises. Carry it in your pocket and you can perform these exercises wherever you are, at home, at workplace, even while traveling, anywhere. Look at the environment around us. It's so important to indulge in short controlled breathing exercise on a daily basis. And that's what this app is for. Free, of course. How is this different from the other apps in the market? This app is allowing you to customize things so that you somehow feel right about your breathing. Do you really want to overcome high stress situations, relax, fall asleep naturally and build immunity? Welcome to episode 31. Now this is the Breathball app that I have downloaded from Play Store. It's a Play Protect app. So just open it. We click on Start. There are tutorials how to use Breathball. You have to inhale through your nose and deeply into your belly while the ball gets bigger, and hold your breath while the ball keeps its size, and exhale completely while the ball gets smaller. That's simple. So if we start the exercise, the ball is here. In this manner, go on the settings. There are 4 kinds of breathing exercises. First one is called cardiac coherence training. This is just for deep relaxation. If you click on see details, this exercise is like a quick fix to high stress situations. Click on start. The session length is 5 minutes. You can increase or decrease the session by using this bar as you like. Start and the exercise starts. Inhale with the ball. Hold the breath and then exhale. There is another one which is by Dr. Andrew Weil. This exercise is known to calm down and help you sleep well. So it's a 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's based on the yogi technique called pranayama. Each of these has got its tutorial, and then you click on. It says that you inhale through your nose deeply in your belly while the ball grows bigger, and then hold the breath while the ball keeps its size. Then you exhale completely while the ball goes smaller. Is performed in this manner. So it says over here you have to retain. Now start the exhale. You feel a certain freshness after having used this just before sleep. Back to the third one. This is a slow paced breathing, and this also helps to cope with high stress events. COPD breathing. This technique of COPD, it recommends a breathing technique at which you exhale 2 to 3 times longer than you inhale. There is also a disclaimer within this app. It says that Breathball is not a medical device, kind of an unpleasant effect. Please do not continue, and you must stop it immediately. Take the advice of a physician or a therapist. If you go on the settings, you can choose the color of the ball. You can choose the size of the user interface. You can choose to show instructions during the exercise, height controls during the exercise. There is an audio guide which plays sounds when you inhale, retain, exhale, sustain, and also end of the exercise. To have the ambient noise to be off, or the noise of a quiet rainy day, for example, or a slowly floating stream. It's just very soothing. And along with that, you carry out breathing just before sleeping. It's said to enhance and give you a very relaxed sleep. You can unlock Breathball Pro for free now to explore what this is, choose what shape you want of the ball, and finally quit. So this way in the comfort of your home or while traveling or at your workplace or just about anywhere, pandemic or no pandemic. Follow breathing with the Breathball app. Create your own breathing exercise, something that yoga and medical coaches enjoy doing. For another such useful tech update to overcome the pandemic, subscribe to the channel Technology Traveller. Till then, stay healthy and see you soon.